Right, question 6. Aled has 3 concrete slabs. 2 of the slabs are square, with each side of length x meters. The third slab is rectangular and measures 1 meter by x plus 1 meter. The 3 concrete slabs cover an area of 7 meters squared. Now, what I do here, right, when these sort of questions here, I'd like to sort of see what's going on in sort of picture format. So I'm going to draw a little sketch of this. You've got 3 slabs, haven't you? And the 3 slabs, okay, 2 of them are the same, aren't they? Okay, so you've got your square slab, says here, each of side x. Okay, that's what it says, isn't it? 2 of the slabs are square, with each side of length x meters, so x and x. Now, when we come here, it's talking about the area, doesn't it? The sort of the total area 7. If you take the area of this square one, well, that's going to be x times x, which is x squared, isn't it? Okay, and we got 2 of them, right? We got 2 of them, and then you've got the rectangular one, measures 1 meter. So let's do a rectangle one. Little sketch will help just to see, not a very good sketch, but it doesn't matter, just to see what's going on here. So you've got x plus 1, okay, and 1 meter. So it's 1 meter by x plus 1. If I work out that area, 1 times this is just going to be that, isn't it? X plus 1. Okay, put it in a bracket if you want. Alright? So he's got 2 of these, don't forget, yeah? 2 of these. So 2 of these would be 2x squared. Yeah? That makes sense? Right? 2 of these, because you've got x squared plus x squared. And you've got 2 of them, so it's 2x squared. And then this area here is x plus 1. So total area then, it says is equal to 7. So put it equals to 7. And then you get what they want, because if you take that 7 over, it comes a minus 7. And then you get exactly what they want, quadratic. It says then solve the equation to find the length of each side of the square slabs. You must justify any decisions you make. Now, you can use brackets in this case. This was in a non-calculator paper, so we can use brackets. Okay, if it was in the calculator paper, we could use the formula method. But you know, non-calculator, so we'd be able to factorize this. Okay, so remember now 2 brackets, right? And because there's 2 in front of the x squared, I'm going to put 2x in both brackets. Okay, and then this multiply add thing over here. Now remember this time now multiply, it's not minus 6, yeah, because when there's a number in front of the x squared, I've got to times that by that last number. So 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. And then they've got to add up then to give this number here in the middle. And there's no number there, but obviously it's just 1, isn't it? So add up to give 1. So we need to think of a pair of numbers that multiply to give minus 12, add up to give 1. Now I'm thinking straight away 4 and 3, okay? You can get that to be 1, can't you? If you make that a minus, not a plus, they will add up to give 1. And of course they multiply to give minus 12, don't they? So one of them is plus 4, the other one's minus 3. But don't forget, you need to divide by 2. You've got to pay back, because I times by 2 here. And then when you divide by 2, of course the first bracket there, you could see there's a common factor of 2, so if we take that out, second bracket there's no factors, no common factors. The 2's will cancel. So then, x plus 2, well, that will just be x plus 2 equals 0. Remember, the first bracket is equal to 0, or the second bracket equals to 0. So that means x will equal minus 2, or 2x will equal 3, which means x will equal 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. Maybe we'll put that as a decimal, and we're talking meters here, of course, okay, length. Now, the fact that I put the units in there, okay, and of course here as well, meters, you can't have minus 2 meters, can't you? Okay, so you just need to say, look, this is impossible, because it does say justify, doesn't it, in the question? It says justify any choices you make. So impossible, can't have a negative length. Okay, so that result we ignore, that solution. This is the one we take here, okay, 1.5, right? And he says then to find the length of each side of the square slabs. Well, the square slabs, if you remember, I'll just draw this roughly here, the square slabs were just x by x, weren't they? So the length will be x. which is 1.5, which is what we've got here. All right, but of course you're justifying, as it says there, you are justifying, you're saying that this doesn't make sense, you can't have minus length. So you're saying why, you're giving a good reason why this is the actual answer.